Oh my gosh, I hope it's dry. Whoa, oh my word. Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today I'm finally going to be trying out the waveformers. I've actually never tried them before. This is my first time. I am sick again. I feel like probably like 1 in every 4 videos that you see of mine, I start off the video by saying that I'm sick. I don't know why. I don't know if like the quality of this video is going to drop or something. I don't know if you consider it to have dropped, but basically I don't have like that YouTuber lighting setup because basically I'm trying to use less electricity because I care about the planet that I live on, and it's daylight outside, and even though it's daylight and the sun always moves around and changes, still I want to try and do it anyway, even though it's winter time and the sun's gonna disappear in like 10 minutes. Just another thing, I am now on TikTok. It was kind of cringy to start off with, but now I'm kind of seeing where the fun of it is, and I'm actually enjoying posting TikTok videos. So go and find me over there if you want to see what I'm up to over there. It's a whole different game to what you see on Instagram, but get me on Instagram for the aesthetic. I've seen a lot of people like sort of struggling to style this properly and get it to look ideal. So I'm hoping that I can kind of do something to help with that. My curl formers I bought from eBay. I think they were pretty inexpensive, I think. I've got 3 packs. Like, I'll put the information because I can't remember whether I bought 3 packs or whether it came with 3 packs. And I have the long ones because I have long hair, so it makes sense. But I do feel like if you have short hair, you can also get the long ones because you never know, like your hair might grow. There's nothing wrong with getting the long ones. If your hair is shorter, it's fine. It just means your hair is only going to come up to like here instead of going the whole way through, but it doesn't make a difference. So this is what comes in a pack. You've got 2, 4, 6 blue and 2, 4, 6 yellow. They're really long. Whoa. And you also have pegs as well. And this is just the same as with the curl formers. Although I'm pretty sure that curl formers like patented the design of this. So I don't know if eBay is allowed to do like knockoff version, but they did and I bought it. So then I have a leave-in conditioner. Actually, this is a buttercream, but I want my hair to be nice and shiny when we finish doing this. And you're gonna need something to make this hold in your hair. So we're gonna use a gel. I would love to use a twist and define cream. Like, I have the smooth and hold pudding, but I'm all out, so I'm gonna use this gel and hope for the best. And later down the line, we're also gonna be using a hairdryer. I actually have like a fabric hooded bonnet kind of thing, so that's what I'm gonna use for that. Another thing, you need a brush. You need to make sure your hair has got no tangles in it. So I don't want my hair to be soaking wet. Oh my gosh, is the sun disappearing already? Okay, now that my hair is all detangled, I'm just gonna section it nicely. So we're gonna go down the middle like this. We're actually gonna take the back and just put that back, and we're gonna deal with that at the end. If we have enough curl formers, then we'll do that. But if we don't have enough curl formers, then we'll make something work for this. I've got no idea how bright this is. This is very frustrating. I'm frustrated. So now I have the Pantene Hydrating Buttercream. So I'm just gonna run this through my hair. And then on top of that buttercream, I'm gonna take some gel and run that all through my hair as well. Oh, that rhymed. I'm gonna take some gel and run that through my hair as well. I have this vision in my mind of how this could turn out. If it all goes well, I could have these beautiful like 90s style waves that are like really popular right now. But at the moment, it's just a dream. It's just a pipe dream, because honestly, the videos that I've seen of people doing this, it doesn't always turn out well. We're gonna start from the bottom up because it's just easier that way. And you only want, I'm gonna say maybe like an inch square of hair. It depends obviously how dense your hair is and how thick your hair is. But for me, I usually take about an inch square, so that's what I'm gonna do. Like, once you do this enough, you'll start to get a feel of like how much hair is too much hair, you know? So what I'm gonna wanna do is like, because I have a tendency to sort of brush out like this, but I don't wanna brush out, I wanna brush it flat. If that makes sense. You want to hook this over the hair like that, pull it through. Yeah, it's not done. It has another bit to go. So that's how long it's supposed to be. I was doing it wrong. Número 2. Try to keep it flat. Hook your hair into the hook and then push this up over it and just pull it through. Ah, that's so much easier now that it's like big enough. Oh no, but it doesn't match. How did I do it wrong? See, this is gonna be the hardest part, is like I need to make them match up, otherwise I'm not gonna get the wave that I want running through my hair. I want it to go this way, so I'm gonna hold it close to my head because I want the waves starting from my head, and then pull it through. Much better. I'm gonna brush this flat. I'm gonna hold this up. I want it to match everybody. Do it like this. Just make sure that matches. Make sure it's flat. Get in there. I'll pull it through. We want to match this up so that it's like the wave is the same. We want to get this on the same wavelength. That phrase actually makes sense in this situation. We want everything to be on the same wavelength.
I just wanted to add here really quickly that if you are struggling to pull your hair through the waveformer with the hook, then it's probably because something has got caught somewhere. So don't try to just yank it through because it will end up pulling your hair out. Just take your hair out of the hook and start again instead of trying to just ram this thing through your hair.
You know, my hair is like the perfect length. Like, you see where my hair is ending is literally like right there at the end. I've got high hopes for this, you guys. Hopefully the gel is gonna treat us right. So the wave is going away from me. My hook, the opening of the hook, I want it to face away from me. You see the opening of the hook is on this side, which means that if I hold this like this and slide it in. Now the opening is facing me and I can just slide my hair into the hook. Pull my hair through it. I'm already 2/3 of my way through yellow and I still have to do all the rest of the back of my head, so I just clearly don't have enough. Let's go crazy, crazy, crazy till we see the sun. So the reason why you might want to do curl formers in the first place, or wave formers, one of the reasons is because, you know, if you're transitioning your hair and your hair is not all the same pattern, so you've got healthy hair on top that's like curling up, but then you've got like damaged hair at the ends that won't curl and is only going straight and straggly, then you can do things like curl formers and wave formers to get everything to have the same pattern, just match everything up. And another thing is because, you know, some people just have weaker hair types. You know, if you have really fine hair but you want to try curls or waves and your hair just really cannot handle heat from like a curling tong or something, especially with young people, so like with young kids, their hair is finer and then they go to a wedding or something like that and people want to apply a heat to their hair and then the hair gets damaged, which is really bad when you're that little and you're that young. So you can use curl formers and wave formers instead to avoid all of that damage. So I'm really looking forward to lunch today. Okay, so I'm not done yet, but I am completely out of yellow and I still have like a quarter of my hair left at the back. This is like a note to self, note to future Lana, and a note to all of you guys that if you are gonna do this and you have thick hair, then you're gonna need more than 3 packs. I don't know why I had 3 packs. I don't know why it's not 4. I'm really just gonna plait it. That's like the only thing, and plaiting is like the only thing that I could think would be kind of similar to how this wave is gonna come out. So we're just gonna plait it, and hopefully, because it's right at the bottom and at the back, because like I've done like most of the back, so hopefully you're not going to be able to tell what happened to my plaiting skills. Oh, how have I got like 5 sections here? Come on. Okay, so I'm back. It's actually only been about 2 hours, which is like crazy for me because whenever I do something like this with my hair, I'm usually leaving it in all night to dry. But you know, how am I supposed to leave this in all night? Like, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Huh? Okay, now I think I definitely need the lights on because I had to charge my camera and the light disappeared because it's now like 3 o'clock. So I'm pretty sure they're dry. I tested one and I think the braids are dry. If the braids are dry, then oh my god, look, that's the one I tested. It already got tangled up. It already went frizzy, so I don't think that my gel worked. If the braids are dry, then I think that the waveformers are definitely going to be dry because braids always take longer to dry. Saying that, they're not completely dry the whole way through, but I think it's close enough. I dried my hair for around about 1 hour under a bonnet. I don't know why I didn't show any of that, but basically I was underneath a bonnet and now I'm just going to go ahead and take them out. So I guess I'll take out this front one. Oh my gosh, I hope it's dry. Is that dry? I honestly can't even tell. But it looks good. I hope it's dry though. I have a feeling it's not completely dry the whole way through. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna spray these with hairspray as they come out. Gosh, oh my gosh, because look, that looks nice and I don't want it to frizz up. But I don't have time. Do you know what? I don't know if I'm gonna go out tonight because I don't have time. Come on. Okay, so I'm gonna spray that with some hairspray because it looks super cute and I don't want it to disappear. So we'll just take them from the back from now, and you literally just pull them out. It's super easy. They're not dry. No. You have to be dry. They're so easy to take out. You can take out 2 at once. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, and it went exactly how I wanted it to go. Look, the waves are all like, they're all on the same wavelength. Oh my gosh, we need some shine on this. Come on, shine a light on it. Why have I never done this before? You know, these have been sitting in my cupboard for the longest time. Oh my god. Okay, hairspray though, hairspray, come on. The braid definitely doesn't look much like it, but I think it looks close enough. Look. That's so pretty. I'm definitely doing this again. I already know it. More. Let's take out the rest. I'm gonna order the next set and I'm gonna have enough and I'm gonna do all of it, and I'm not gonna have like this braided bit at the back. It literally didn't even take me long. It took maybe like an hour to put in, and then like I said, I've been drying it for about 1 hour. I could take 3 out at once. Oh my god. Wait, I should probably check that they're dry before I take them all out. Let's say 4. Can I take out 4 at once? Probably. Let's go. Woo. I could take out as many as I can fit my hands on. I should say 5. Boom. Wow. Whoa. Oh my word. Hairspray. Come quick, don't forget about the hairspray. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. I have to go out now, I have to, because look at me. Look at my hair, look at me. Is that me? Is that me? Like, a lot of people tried to kind of then come out and try and make this thicker and bigger, but this is the look that I have been looking for. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I think I actually still have time to go out to this event. You guys should know by now it's winter time in the UK. That means Lana stays in for 3 months. That literally, what is that? That literally means I don't leave the house, but I'm trying to leave the house today because I have an event to go to and I like dressed up. It's like, okay, go time. I'm already late though, so just soak it in, take a look. I'll stop talking. Do y'all see it? Do y'all see the shine? So I decided to finish up this look with a headshie. Of course I had to plug my own brand, but I think it just looks amazing on there. Like, I took a bunch of pictures. Honestly, I think it looks so nice. So that is of course a headshie from my brand, Headshie. If you guys want to check it out, all the links are in the description box. So yeah, I'm just obsessed with this, but honestly, can you tell me that anything looks better than this right now? Like, this looks so cute. I'm obsessed with it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm definitely going to do this again, and yeah, that's everything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Bye. I love you. Bye.